came up with this little plate here that works for, you could use it for a lot of different things. Maybe a visor, I don't know. Even something like this. This doesn't need to really be mounted solid, but this does. It just, you can unhook that. That just pinches down on it, on your plate there, on your tabletop. It just works pretty handy. I mean, I don't know if you can see how that's all works. I just put a spacer in there so when it tightens down, it pinches. And then I welded some studs on there to actually mount my grinder to it. Use your imagination. There's lots of things you could do with something like that. And of course, it goes back on there. You tighten her down, that thing ain't moving. You solid as the bench. Okay, if you like that, I've got lots more right here in this playlist. Check them out right now. Thank you.